high-profile murder trial of Oscar Pistorius, the so-called Blade Runner, got underway this morning in South Africa. The double-amputee Olympic track star is charged with murder in the shooting of his girlfriend. Correspondent and CBS News contributor Debora Patta is at the courthouse in Pretoria. Deborah, good morning.
Good morning, Charlie and Nora. Well, despite the intense media interest in this case, which has really been a year in the making, not a lot is known about the prosecution side. Police sources have, however, told me that we can expect a few surprises and a lot of new evidence, and that certainly proved true today.
Open.
Pistorius arrived for his trial amid a media frenzy.
Open up.
Wearing a dark suit, he stood behind his defense team and stared ahead impassively as charges of killing his girlfriend, Riva Steenkamp, were read out.
Do you understand the charges, Mr. Pistorius?
I do.
Judge Thokozile Masipa then asked him how he pleads.
Not guilty, my lady.
Pistorius maintained in an opening statement read out by his lawyer, Kenny Aldridge, that he and Riva were in a loving relationship at the time of the shooting and that he had absolutely no intention of killing her. Certainly insists he shot Riva by accident, mistaking her for an intruder. But the state will paint a very different picture, that the world-famous Olympic and Paralympic athlete was in fact a violent, gun-obsessed young man who killed his girlfriend in a murderous fit of rage. The first witness for the state was Pistorius' neighbor, whose face was not allowed to be shown. She testified to hearing a woman screaming for help, followed later by 4 shots, and immediately thought it was a burglary.
It was very traumatic for me. You could hear that it was blood-curdling screams.
In court today was Riva's mother, June. She flew up from her coastal home in South Africa to attend the first day of the trial. She never met Riva's boyfriend, Oscar, during their short relationship. Today is the first time she's seen him. She is here, she says, to look Oscar in the eye. Now, it's obviously a very emotional day for the Steenkamps. I spoke briefly to Riva's mother, June. She's taking great strain, but wanted to be here in memory of her daughter. However, she won't be staying for the duration of the trial because her husband, Barry, Riva's father, suffered a stroke in January and was not well enough to attend.